Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time clicking on my video, welcome, and thank you for clicking on my video. So in today's video we're going to make some chutney chicken, sweet chutney chicken. So first we're going to make a sauce. So in the sauce you're going to melt about 2 tablespoons of butter, and you're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of chutney, and also 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So you're just going to all those ingredients, you're going to mix them and make sure that all the dry ingredients fully melt, or they fully dissolve into the sauce, just like that. So just keep on mixing up until it looks something like that. And then when it looks like that, you're going to set it aside, and then you're going to take your chicken drumsticks. I used 6 drumsticks for this recipe. So you're just gonna pour all your sauce onto the chicken, and you're going to mix everything together. At this point you can use your hands if you want to, but just make sure that the chicken is fully coated into the sauce.
I'm gonna tell me what's up in God. I'm gonna watch it, baby. I'm gonna get a one making you, baby. I'm like making you, baby. No.
So once you're done mixing everything, transfer the chicken onto a baking tray and just evenly spread the chicken around so that it doesn't stick, and just to give it space when it's cooking. So yeah, just do that. And then if you've got any extra sauce in the bowl left, just also add it onto the chicken as well. And then after you do that, bake your chicken for 30 minutes at 160 degrees, and after 30 minutes your chicken is going to look something like this. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and please don't forget to subscribe.